The Pixel 2 XL display exhibits a blue shift at even slight angles. Whereas dull colors can be fixed in software, the blue shift that Pixel 2 XL displays have exhibited is not something nearly as fixable. In short, folks have noticed that viewing the display even slightly off-center results in the display exhibiting a cooling effect, almost akin to a blue tint. This is where we stress that OLED displays tend to have some sort of shifting at different viewing angles. My Galaxy S8 Plus display also has a cooling effect if you're not looking at it dead on, while you need to go further with my Pixel XL to see the same thing. Even so, the blue tint on the Pixel 2 XL's display seems to be more dramatic and is noticeable at even the slightest of angles. Is this a big deal? This is something to keep in mind rather than sweat over. We definitely noticed the cooling effect in our Pixel 2 XL review, so we're not saying it doesn't exist, we just don't think this is a significant concern. As I mentioned, all displays exhibit shift at different angles, but OLED displays are particularly susceptible to blue shift. In other words, the blue shift on the Pixel 2 XL's display is definitely there, so it's up to you whether you can live with that or whether it's too troublesome to deal with on a day-to-day basis.